This is where future billionaires come to invest. Alright guys, we're diving into Dogelon Mars today. We're going to get right into the charts because I hate it when people take long and they talk in the beginning of their videos. Alright, so here we go. This is what's happening on the daily candles. We have just had a huge spike, extreme volume coming in hot. Alright, this is more than what we've ever seen in the past, as we can tell here. This is huge volume, alright, and this is due to the Crypto.com exchange listing. It is now on Crypto.com, however, I would not buy it on Crypto.com because you can only get a minor bag, probably around $200 worth of Dogelon Mars right now because of the liquidity issues, okay? So, I currently use Uniswap, but the fees are absolutely insane. You could use KuCoin, just use USDT Tether, transfer it into Dogelon Mars, and there will be no fees as long as it's a USDT to Dogelon Mars trading pair. You will not incur fees. Do not make the mistake I did and spend a good $800 on trading fees just for Dogelon Mars. Alright guys, we're getting into technical analysis. I don't want to make this video long, so let's get right into it. On the daily candles, like I just said, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at about a 50% correction, which is normal. Absolutely normal. If we go back in time, all of these pumps once looked exactly like what we are seeing now. Alright, look at this. Boom. We got this little pump going. Let's get the fib out. Alright, we'll start it at here. Boom. Boom. 618. Alright, you got that. Boom. Easy. Then boom. Skyrocket. Alright, now we go to this pump. It's doing the same thing, guys. Doing the exact same thing. So don't panic. If you bought up here, buy more. That's all I gotta say. Boom. Now we move to the top. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that, 618. Now dip right below it a little bit, but it's bouncing off very nicely. Alright, here we are. 618 level. This is what I like to see. Alright. We are down in the slumps right now. This can go one of two ways, alright? It can either break to the upside, engulf these candles on the left, and then shoot straight up again in an extremely bullish form, or it can break this 12 level, break to the downside, then we'll be looking at a 7 level target range, alright, which is about a 37% drop. You do not want to be buying right now. You want to wait until it breaks here, wait for the confirmation, or wait until it bases around here. Because if it comes down to here and it doesn't base, keeps dropping, then you would not like it if you bought right here, because you'll be down a good 50%. And if you're up here, just wait for the confirmation. If it breaks up, boom, you're good. If it breaks down, hold. If you look at SHIB, look at this. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Shiba Inu. We've all heard the name. Look at SHIB, alright? Let's go to, alright, here, boom. Popped up, right? Exchange listings, boom. Corrected a good 70-80%. Held for a couple months and absolutely exploded. So imagine even if you were to buy at the peak here, let's say you keep dollar cost averaging, buying more down here. Let's say right here is your new average because you kept buying down here. You are that's a good 100% right there. So you're sitting nicely right now. So keep that in mind when dollar cost averaging into Dogelon Mars. I would not drop a whole bag at one time, especially in these low cap coins. That is not the smartest move, because if it drops 30%, what are you going to do? You're going to tell the wife you can't buy food? No. If you drop 1/4 of your bag at each point, each confirmation point, that is the best thing you can do. All right. So, for example, let's say you got $1,000. It breaks this. Boom, drop a 250. Right. This is not financial advice. This is simply what I would do. Do not take a billionaire's advice. All right. If it drops down here, easy. Wait for it to base. Wait for it to show strong support. It will go back up here and then it will base again. And that is when you want to buy. Is when you see it rebound, hit a resistance up here, and then base again. You want to buy on that second base, second, third base, and just keep dollar cost averaging. So I'll draw a little diagram for you guys. I don't know if this video is getting long, but you guys are getting immaculate amounts of information, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers. This is just the beginning. We're on the way to Mars, guys. So if it goes up to here, and it holds, breaks through these resistance levels right here. Oh my goodness, guys. Load up that 1/4. Now, if it breaks down to here, which it will, do one of these things the next few days. You don't want to buy. You do not want to buy. If it keeps breaking down, then you're done for it. You know, you're losing a lot of money. What you want to wait for is a rebound. Boom. You want it to come back up and test around this area. All right. These areas right here. The reason why I say that, look at the volume. You see this volume? Extreme. This is an extreme area where people want to buy. If it breaks it, this is an extreme area where people want to sell because they are down a lot. This is a break-even point for them. If they bought down here, oh my God, it just pushed it up a good 30%, and now it's all the way back down. So if it goes down here, then it bounces up. The person who bought here, they're selling, which is going to push it right back down to the demand zone, which is right down here. That's where you want to buy. All right, so in short, it's going to push down here, come back up, come back down. This is where you want to buy, right? Right in here, all right? Right there, around the 7 area, all right? So wait for that. This is the 2 things you're waiting for. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The worst thing you can do is rush into a trade. If you rush in, you're going to lose all your money, all right? That is my advice. Boom. Buy. And then holds right here. Buy. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Subscribe to the channel, my friends. We're going to the moon, making billionaires out of every single one of you guys.